So this was the most selling phone and the most amazing phone from the Motorola into the year of 2006, and this is the Moto Razr phone. But in the year 2019 they have come with the same design but with the folding phone, and this folding phone is the new Moto Razr 2019. And in this video I'm going to tell you about all the things, the specification and how the looks of the new Moto Razr 2019. A unique concept from the Motorola and a very unique design, just not like the Samsung Fold. This is the same design which they are following into the 2006 of this Moto Razr phone. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Manish and you're watching Technical Chaharji. So before I begin with the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do hit that right button. So let me just first start with the specification of the new Moto Razr 2019. It's been powered by your Snapdragon 710. It has the same screen inches of the Moto Razr from 2006, approximately around 6.2 inches when it's been unfolded. When it's been folded, it's been the same. It is of the 2.5 inches. It has a beautiful rear camera of 60 megapixel, and on the front you're getting the 5 megapixel. So dual camera setup, or you should say the single camera setup on the rear and on the front. On the front, the camera is over here, and just beneath that you're going to get the fingerprint sensor, which is very simultaneously has been seen over the launch videos. So if you unfold it like this, the whole screen will be turned into a screen, and if you fold your phone, you're not being able to see any sort of a bend or any sort of a line into the screen into this Moto Razr 2019. It is running on the Android 9, and the battery backup which you're getting on this Moto Razr is of 2510. The battery is approximately not so good as you talk about, because I remember correctly when I'm using this phone into the 2006 to 2008, I faced a lot of issue while using this Moto Razr phone in the terms of the battery. The battery not being able to last even for a day. If I charge my phone into the morning, by the evening, the battery is almost dead. And it has an internal RAM of 6 gigabytes and internal storage of 128 gigabytes. Let me tell you, all the specification looks very much great, just the battery department lags in this Moto Razr phone. It might be because when you fold a phone like this, you don't have any sort of more space left into this Moto Razr phone of 2019. Just a small space is there, in that only the 2500 mAh battery can fit it properly. If I talk about the price is around $1,500, approximately around 1,05,000 into Indian currency. For the Indian market, it has not been yet announced at what price and when this Moto Razr phone will be available. I hope that I get my hands on this Moto Razr 2019. The design wise and just the folding like phone like this to this, it feels so much great. And I still remember my old days when I'm using this Moto Razr phone from the 2006. In 2019, I still want to use my Moto Razr phone if I still get my hands on this Moto Razr 2019. So that's all from this Moto Razr 2019. Let's hope just it is soon available for the Indian market. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Manish, and I see you all in the next video.